Hello, my name is Varo, and I will tell you how to make a pencil case. These are all of the materials. You need a jar, some yellow paper, some tape, and some pair of scissors, some decorations, and some glue, and also pencil case materials. First, you need a jar, some tape, and some yellow paper. You need the yellow paper to surround the jar, and you need to cut all the way to the top here so it can be the same size of the jar. And you need some tape, but when I take off the tape, it will be sticky and I can stick it here. Take this off, and this one too. And you need to do this, and then you need some decorations and some glue. And of course, my decorations are our animals and dinosaurs because I love them, and also my name in my class. You need to put some glue in this paper and behind the decorations, and yay! And I need to a little bit, and then glue the decorations. And then you need to glue them, but I need to glue all of them first. Glue here, and the last one, Komodo dragon. The tail, and I'm done. And then you put them in here. Glue here. You stay there. Don't run away. And my name too. Seriously. My name surrounding here. Seriously. I need more glue. Fix the more glue. I need to put it right here. And glue stick here. And then put this here. And then the Komodo dragon. I'm going to put it here. Glue the tail, the head, and the legs. And then I'm done with the Komodo. And I'm going to put you here. Don't even move. I'm done. And that's how you make a pencil case. And that's how you make a pencil case. And also, do you actually follow me how to make this? I'll be surprised. And thank you so much. Bye.